What is up, my friends? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be removing gum from carpet. Obviously this carpet comes from my Toyota Camry and we're going to be using ice. So this right here is an ice pack. You can also use ice cubes, whichever you prefer. Putting this little ice pack in a plastic baggie, and then we're going to set it on top of the gum. Kind of push firm on there for a moment. We're going to do this for about a minute. And this is going to freeze the gum, make it a lot harder, and make it very simple to remove. To remove it, we can use a fork. You can use this end of the fork. You can use your fingers. You can use a nail file, whatever you prefer. So leave it on there for about a minute here. 1 minute is up. Let's get our little fork here. Kind of pick at it. That's round one. Now let's do round two. Put our ice pack back on top for another minute. One more minute, guys. 1 minute is up. Round two. Okay, so far, here's our gum that we've removed. We've taken it from here to our fingers. But I got this little bit of remnant right here. I got some warm soapy water. This is just warm water with a little bit of Dawn dish soap. And we're gonna use the sponge and try to get that little bit of remnant off. So I'm not happy with that, as you can see. I'm not happy. A little bit on there. One little piece. Hope the camera can pick that up. And that is how to remove gum from carpet.